Jaguar has launched a new 4-cylinder turbo-petrol engine version of the F-Type in India in coupe and convertible body styles. While the coupe is priced at Rs 90.93 lakhs, the convertible has been priced at Rs 1.1 crore. The engine powering this version of the F-Type is 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo-petrol engine capable of producing a peak power of 300 HP and a peak torque of 400 Nm. The engine is mated to an 8-speed automatic gearbox which sends power to the rear wheels. This petrol F-Type does 0 to 100 km/h in 5.7 seconds.